Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Today I am sharing a beautiful embroidery design with you. Please watch the video till the end. For this embroidery, I am using simple materials. I am using embroidery thread, a needle and fabric. You can choose any color you like. This design is very easy and beginner friendly. First, I am starting with the outline. Please stitch slowly and carefully. Try to keep the stitches neat and even. There is no need to rush. Embroidery looks best when it is done with patience. Now I am filling the design step by step. You can pause the video and follow along. If you are new, don't worry at all. Practice will make you better. Take your time and enjoy the process. This is a very relaxing design. Embroidery is a beautiful way to spend time. I really enjoy doing this. The embroidery is almost done now. I hope you like this design. If you enjoyed the video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Rojborna. Thank you so much for watching this video.